Welcome and thanks for joining us on EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Asset Management Report. Today is Tuesday, March 18th, 2008. A group of funds controlled by billionaire investor Carl Icahn has acquired a 6.9% interest in Enzon Pharmaceuticals. Icahn has urged the drug maker to consider selling the company. Icahn said he asked Enzon's management to consider strategic transactions to improve shareholder value, including spinning off some assets or selling the entire company. He said he expects to continue discussions with the company. The funds, including Icahn Partners LP, reported owning 3.1 million shares of the company. The shareholders also have long economic exposure to about 3.6 million shares through derivative agreements. The shareholders' ownership and economic exposure can differ when the investor makes contracts, such as share swaps or call options, that do not involve ownership of the stock but are valued based on the stock price. Staying with asset management news, the Kentucky State Senate has approved a pension reform bill passed by the House and submitted by Governor Steve Beshear, but has suggested significant changes. The Senate's version would cut retirement benefits for new hires by more than House Bill 600 originally proposed, according to Money Management Letter. The Senate is also seeking to establish mandatory annuity savings plan. A legislative conference committee with members from both chambers is expected to work out the differences between the two versions of the bill, the Louisville Courier-Journal reports. And in other asset management news, Threadneedle Investments has introduced a new hedge fund, the Threadneedle Asia Crescendo Fund, which is designed to fuse the firm's expertise in Asian equities and management of equity long-short portfolios. The firm believes the transfer of capital and wealth from developed to emerging markets is a growing trend. Furthermore, Asian except Japan equity markets are structurally inefficient, characterized by incomplete analyst coverage, poor corporate governance, and weak capital markets. The firm believes it is the right position to benefit from the opportunities coming from such inefficiencies. Jean de Bourgin, a senior manager on Threadneedle's Far East and Asia Equities team, will manage the fund. And in asset management news in Asia, China Life Insurance Company's overseas stock investments yielded huge returns last year, the company said. The country's biggest life insurer, China Life's overseas asset management unit, China Life Franklin Asset Management Company, helped its parent company achieve a 39.6% return in overseas stock investment in 2007, which was 6.73 percentage points higher than the average return ratio in the Hong Kong stock market. According to Daily Xinhao, the asset management unit was jointly established by China Life and Franklin Templeton Investments, the largest asset management company for public enterprises in the U.S., and it started to operate in overseas markets last May. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Asset Management channel online and read the latest developments.